Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tei Jae. I'm super excited because I'm doing an install straight out the box today, okay? So as you guys can see, today's hair is from Yolissa Hair. I do have their HD 13x4 lace frontal wig. She is 18 inches, the density is 180%, and the texture is body wave, okay? Look how pretty and voluminous and fluffy and bouncy these curls are straight out of the package. So you know we got to go ahead and install her as is, okay? I'm not going to wash it. I'm not going to pluck. Look at that lace. They came already in clutch with the lace pre-plucked, so I'm not going to do any extra work. I want to do it install today as is. So this is the overall construction. As you guys can see, there are 3 combs in total and a pair of drawstrings at the nape. And then I'm going to place the lace on the back of my hand so you guys can get into this HD melt. Look at that, y'all. So anyway, y'all, I did go ahead and plop the wig on my head. I know she's looking a little crazy. We're going to get it situated, okay? Like I said, I'm not styling it today. It comes styled, okay? So we're going to work with what they gave us, all right? So I'm going in first with my Erika J wax stick to go in and hot comb the hair. I want the hairline just to be a little bit more flatter. So yeah, and I feel like hot combing the hair before you actually secure it down onto your unit, it just makes everything simpler and easier. And also you don't be burning yourself all over the place, you know? So now I'm going to go in with my eyebrow razor, and then I'm going to switch back and forth between that and scissors to cut off the excess lace. Now I'm going in with one of my favorite melting sprays. This is from Wig Dealer. I will leave it in the description section below in case you guys are interested. But y'all, I'm obsessed with this spray, okay? I feel like this spray does not cake up and turn white on me, even if I use hot heat. But I feel like you really have to use cool heating, or, you know, put your blow dryer on a cool heating setting so it won't dry too fast, if that makes sense. So as you guys see, I am laying this down to the guys, all right? I am laying it down, and I'm making sure both sides is super flat so my lace won't be like lumpy and bumpy and rolled up. And I'm also using my finger to make sure that lace is pressed down. Now I'm just excited because lately this is my second install where I'm able to, you know, not have that line of demarcation that I always be having. And, you know, I'm feeling myself because I'm like, I didn't need baby hairs. Like, this is my second video saying that. Like, I look back at the footage like, I didn't need to do no baby hairs at all. This HD lace is fire. They don't need to sell anything else but HD and Swiss lace, because look at the melt. You guys see how that is just blending into my forehead, and you would just think that my hairline naturally started there. That's how good that looks. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take and put on that band, the elastic band they sent over. I'm just gonna place it to, you know, I'm gonna place it around my head so it can, you know, have my hair doing an extra little meltage. I was gonna use the silk scarf they sent over, but I said, let me be different and let me just, you know, catch up with the game, because everybody's using elastic bands now. So I want to see if it, you know, actually makes any difference. I'm gonna go back in and hot comb the hairline just a little bit more because, you know, it can use a little bit more layage. But before we do that, I'm actually going to go ahead and detangle the hair first. And I'm just using a wide tooth comb. And I will show you guys how much hair came out during this process. This was my first time fully detangling the hair, you know, without using my fingers, if that makes sense. But I'm going to use a comb. But yeah, this is how much came out of the unit. All right, guys, so like I said, I didn't need baby hair, so I didn't really go in and show you guys that step. I actually just edited it all out, but I'm just showing you guys, you know, my 2 swoops on both sides that I did. I tried a new method today and tried using Sebastian hairspray to create my baby hairs instead of gel, because I don't know, I seen somebody doing it. I don't know who I seen do it, but I said, let me try it. I feel like it doesn't have your baby hairs hard and crunchy, but I feel like it's not a strong hold, if that makes sense. Like, your baby hairs is not gonna lay there all day, and if you're a person who sweats, that probably wouldn't be a good method. But I wanted to try it. I feel like it's cute for the time being. Like, if you're not gonna be wearing your unit that long, I would definitely recommend it. So as you guys can see, I'm just going in to define my part with a little bit of concealer. So since I'm not going to be styling the hair, like I said, I'm just going to leave it as it is. I'm going to take my, you know, blowout brush. I don't know what it's called. But I'm just going to take this to pretty much redefine the curls in the direction that I want them to go. Because I do not like how my curls, you know, I don't like curls framing towards my face. I like them away from my face. So I was like, instead of me trying to curl this whole thing, again, I'm just gonna, you know, blow it out and use this brush. But I will have this brush linked in the description section as well, because like I said before, I don't really know what it's called, but it really helped, and it didn't like take away from the curls. It really blew it out and made it more, you know, fluffy and all that good stuff. So that is pretty much it for this video. Like I said, I didn't really do too much because I didn't pluck it, or I didn't do, you know, that extra customization that I normally would do. So like I said, if you get this unit, you can install it straight out the box, and it should look definitely very much like mine. So as far as shedding, I did get a little bit of shedding. I did show you guys that when I went in to detangle the hair, and I had a few snags and tags here as well as far as detangling. When I first went in as well, I did get a little bit of tangling here and there. So that pretty much completes the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys are interested in the hair, the information will be in the description section below. And until my next one, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.